What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I will going to show you how to get website traffic for free. In this video I will show you how can I get my website traffic for free, and I will show you how you can get your website traffic for free. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am working here for last 8 years, and I am making $1,000 per month by online marketing, affiliate marketing. So guys, before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on online marketing. So if you want to make money by online marketing or by affiliate marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and you see here a lot of info inside my YouTube channel to get the best result of online marketing. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. Now I will show you how can I get free website traffic, and basically you can get your website traffic by two ways. Number one, organically. Number two, by a referral. If you want to get organic traffic, then you have to wait for 7 or 8 months minimum, and you have to post regularly. Then day by day your post get ranked on Google and you can get the organic traffic. But in case of referral traffic, I will show you. In case of referral traffic, you have to share your post in various social sites, and at the first stage you have to do this, and you have to get this referral traffic to get quick rank to your websites. So you see here, it's my website answertoday.com, and I am posting various posts in the daily basis. You see here on June 23rd, June 22, 20, 2018. So I am posting here in the daily basis and various topics. You see here, it's how to make money on Reddit as a beginner, top 5 highest paying jobs for a college drop student, how a broke makes paper money for free, how to start online business for free. So, and you see my statistics of my website. I get 45.22% organic traffic and 43.37% referral traffic. So at the first stage, you have to you don't get any organic traffic. When your post or your product get ranked on Google, then you can start getting organic traffic. But in that time you have to get the referral traffic, and it's free, and you have to share your post in various social sites such as you see here. Sorry. So you see here, it's my last post, how to make money on Reddit as a beginner. Okay, fine. And the best ways to get free traffic, you see here, it's my Facebook page, and I shared this post in my Facebook page and various Facebook groups. Then it's my Twitter page, and you see here how to make money on Reddit as a beginner. I shared this post on Twitter, and you see here it's my Facebook page, and you see here how to make money on Reddit as a beginner, and I share it to my Facebook. It's my LinkedIn, and you see here I post this how to make money on Reddit as a beginner, and it's my Pinterest, and you see here how to make money on Reddit as a beginner. So at first you have to get all these organic traffic sources for getting free traffic. If you want to increase your organic traffic, then you have to go you have to get the referral traffic first, and for this free referral traffic you can share your post in YouTube, in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and it's the secret way to get more visitor to your website, and it's Quora. You don't need to answer here. It's time to question here. Suppose it's my website how to make money on Reddit as a beginner. Now I can question here. Okay, then put your post URL here. Okay, add question. Similar question. Okay, fine, add question. Okay, this question is added to Quora, and you will get huge search in Quora and a lot of free traffic to your website URL. It's one of the best way to get more traffic. It's the secret way. Most of the marketer, most of the people don't do it. So do it for getting free traffic to your website. You see here. So guys, by this way you can get free traffic to your website. So first way organic, second way referral. But to get organic traffic you have to wait minimum 7 or 8 months, and you have to post continuously in the daily basis. Or if you can do post in the daily basis, then you have to wait minimum 1 year. But within this time you can get free traffic to your website by sharing various social sites, and it's called a referral traffic, and you can get it from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and the most secretly in the Quora question. You don't need to answer here. You have to question in Quora, and a lot of people follows the question you see here. I asked 32%, and you see here a lot of people follow here, and don't get too much follow. Don't every people don't follow your question, but you can get traffic to your website from this question. So guys, it's all the free ways to get traffic to your website. So guys, if this video help you to get free traffic to your website, then thumbs up this video, and if you have any question, I am always here to answer your questions. Reply to comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video for the other people. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number one recommendation or check my video description. So guys, best of luck. See you soon. God bless you.